quick and simple. I ain't had to sit there and wait on nobody. I ain't have to worry about my nail tech being late. I ain't have to worry about somebody sitting in my spot when it's my appointment.
Bruh.
Sure didn't. Cause who didn't go to the shop? What's poppin', everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lisa, aka Style and Nature, and I'm back with another video. Now today I'm gonna be doing a collaboration with Vanity Bae. Vanity Bae sent me over 5 pair of press-on nails. These are some really cute press-on nails. They have all different colors, all different designs. They have the cutest little names like Extravagant in pink, Love in Portofino, Playa, the Red Lady, and Dirty Mary. Cute names. I got different shapes. I really like almond shapes, so most of them I got was almond shape. And then I have a long pair. So pretty. They are so nice because they come with everything. So you don't have to go and get anything for these nails. Okay, for instance, I think I'm gonna put the pink ones on today. I can't decide if I want to wear the pink ones or the red ones, but it comes with 24 nails. These are reusable. It comes with an alcohol pad. It also comes with nail glue, and it also comes with like a cuticle pusher, or you can clean under your nails. It has a file, little small file, and it has the little press on little sticker, you know, little glue stick. So, you know, if you want to just take them off easy. I should have put that on today, but I don't know. Perfect little set. It's very affordable, and I have a discount code, so use my discount code if you would like any of these nails. Check their website, look at all the designs. Now let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so I'm sitting here and I'm thinking, like, what if I mix? Because I want to put the pink ones on. These are the same shape. I just measured out, you know, the size of my nails. But what if I include a red pair in there too? Like, you know, make it like a design, like I went to go get my nails done. Because I don't go to get my nails done really at the shop. Because to me, like, I break my nails so easily. I don't know if my nail beds or something is really oily, but every time I go get my nails done, they break like within days. And you can say, oh, you don't have a good nail tech. I have had plenty of nail techs. I have even did nails myself. They break. Like, I remember one time I went to go get my nails done, the same exact day. I touched the doorknob and my nail popped off. Literally, no cap. So I'm not a person that go get my nails done, so I'm about to make it look like I went to go get my nails done. So I'm about to include, you know, I want it to be the same shape. I was going to include this one, but I figure I want to put the pink ones on and they're the same size and the same, you know, shape. So that's going to be cute, I hope. Let's get into it. Excuse my fan, I know it's kind of loud. So first I'm going to push my cuticles back.
I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I've got.
Next, I'm gonna make sure there's not any dirt under my nails or anything. Next, I'm going to wipe my nails off to make sure they're nice and clean and sanitized. And they actually have the instructions. When you putting press-ons on, the best thing for you to do is file the top of your nails so the nails can stick better. You know, if you want them to last for a while, because I really don't care. I don't know, I always be fumbling around. Can't open this, can't button this, can't do nothing with nails on, so I really don't care if they stay on or not. I just don't want to be walking around with one nail or 5 nails missing. I don't like that. Okay, now let's get into it. So we're gonna put the glue on. You have to cut this little tip off. Here we go. You're supposed to put a drop on the nail and a drop on your real nail. Smooth it in. And you're supposed to take your nail, push it back, and hold it down for 15 to 20 seconds. I feel like I ain't go back far enough, actually. Ooh, let me do that again. Girl, this nail stuck. This nail stuck, baby. And there you go. I wish I would have pushed it back a little farther, but we all good. Like I said, as soon as it pop off, I'm popping all of them off. Okay. So this one is called the Dirty Red. And next I'm about to put the Extravagant Pink. So take a dot, put it on the nail, put it on my real nail. This time apply it correctly. Hold it down for 15 to 20 seconds. And bam, there we go. And I'll be back when the rest are on. You need to file them down a little bit, just a little bit, just the tips. Just get that little, it's like a little bump on them. And they do have the numbers in the inside, so you'll know, your exact number. Now this one, they was getting real ignorant on this one. Look at, you see that tip? That's what you need to file down. There you go. Looks better. The pink do have like, because it's gritty, it feels like glitter, because it is glitter. And then the red is matte. But I love them. I absolutely love them. Put a little cuticle oil on. And boom. And who didn't go to the shop to get their nails done, baby? Because she did. She did. Thank you, Vanity Bae, for all these beautiful nails. I most definitely will be using them. Please use my code if you would like any nails. I am Styling Extra, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.